the very cold and very windy city of Birmingham today. We're filming a new series on budget hotels. So we're starting this series with the Holidayinnexpress in Birmingham. I call it a budget hotel. It's actually not that cheap. I'll come to the price at the end, but let's go in and have a look around. Oh, here we go. Finally found the door. So we got check-in just down there, and we have a bar. Nice little area. Assuming this is where breakfast is as well. We'll find that out in the morning, I suppose. Let's go and check in. Cool. Thank you. Here we are, 1608. So here we go, the Holidayinn twin bedroom. So as we come in, first things first, love the carpet, nice stripy carpet. It's a little bit old these days, the stripes, it's out of fashion a bit, but I still like it anyway. And first impressions, nice big room, good size. What have we got for? I want to see what view we've got, to be honest. Good curtains, nice big thick curtains. Not a terrible view. Obviously we're in a city centre. You can't expect too much or anything nature wise, but the new big buildings around Birmingham. It's also incredibly quiet. We're on the 16th floor, but I mean, even when you tap the windows, you can see it dulls the sounds. You can't hear any of the traffic down there, which is nice. So what have we got in the room? Obviously twin room, staying here with my brother tonight, so we've gone for the twin beds. Good size single beds as well. They're not those little skinny ones, proper size skinny single beds. So that's always nice. We've got a little work area, a little desk, with a nice little Swivelly chair, which looks nice. All looks very clean. Plugs, phone sockets. Not sure why you need those anymore. This lamp's very useful. Look at this. I love this lamp. Beautiful. Big TV. So big, can't even get it in shot. Let's stand back a bit. Big Samsung TV. That's nice. We'll check that works in a sec. Over here, we've got a nice little corner chair. Don't really know why you would need that, but it's all good. We've got a little stand behind here for your suitcase. I'm only staying for one night, so I've got a bag, so no need for that, but nice to know it's there. Wallpapered wall. In fact, it feels like fabric, to be honest. And it also looks like it's been through the wash, but anyway, nice little backboard. We'll do the bed test in a sec and we'll find out who's got the clean one. Two side tables, nice lamps, and a little bit of artwork on the walls as well. Does have aircon. Hope it does heating because we are in winter, but nice to know they've got aircon as well. This is the Holidayinnexpress and not the main Holidayinn, so I'm assuming they're thinking people are going to just stay 1 or 2 nights, which we are. So place 2 hand clothes, but no real wardrobe, but good use of space. Little ironing board and iron, which is always nice to see. Some extra towels. This little cubby hole here with the bin. We've then got spoons, teacups, all nice and clean, glasses. Oh, look at this. I love anything that's on brands. Here we go. Holidayinnexpress and IHG Hotel, that's the group, and a teeny tiny kettle, which is pretty cute. Bit of water left inside, but very clean, that's good to see. And then what have we got here? Oh, the hairdryer, there we go. So a hairdryer as well. So then over here we've got the bathroom, so let's see what we're working with over here. How do we turn some lights on? Is it one of these? Oh, that's made everything blue. Is this for night time? The blue lights come on. Oh, there we go. Then we got the daytime lights. So, sink and the toilet. It's not the biggest, little cramp in here, but very nicely done. We've got a nice tile into the walls, towel rail with towels on. I always like to see the pointed toilet paper, big win there, and a nice looking shower. All very clean and tidy, nice shower tray, it's pretty spotless, one or two bits of black mould, but very, very minor. Smallish shower head, budget hotel though, fair enough. Branded cosmetics, nice, Dove body wash and shampoo. That's very good. I like the little spotlight too. And then nice big mirrored wall. And again the sink, toilet seat down, good. Toilet clean, good. Toilet paper in a, oh that's an extra one I was going to say. Main toilet paper here, extra one hiding. More Dove body wash, very useful. Shaving outlets. It's all looking very good so far. Right, let's get a bed test done. Let's check the cleanliness of the beds. That's good. Mattress looks good. New mattress encasement and topper. That's always nice, and it looks pretty spotless, which is always good to see. Look at that, no marks, nasty stains or anything. Very good plus for Holiday Inn. Oh, so, as I said earlier, this is a new series in the budget hotels, yeah? So Holidayinnexpress, which is supposed to be a budget hotel. Me and my brother are staying here tonight, hence the twin beds. We're actually spending £119 on this, which for a budget hotel does seem a bit pricey to me, but it does include breakfast for the two of us. It is a little bit more pricey than some of the rooms available elsewhere in Birmingham, but this does have a very good rating and the others do not. So maybe we're just in an expensive place, but we'll find out in the morning if breakfast is worth it. Until then, I'm off to both Christmas markets in Birmingham, the very famous Frankfurt Christmas market, which takes up the majority of space, all the way from New Street to Victoria Square. We'll have a little tour around there. And we're also going to tour the little secret Christmas market, which is called Christmas at the Cathedral, which is in the Cathedral grounds. So we'll run through there. So if you stay till the end of the video. So to start up the stay, very pleasant room. Staff downstairs were absolutely brilliant. The room itself is spotlessly tidy. There's a couple of little scuff marks on the wall and a couple of little marks on the wall behind me on the fabricy outlay. But other than that, rooms are very quiet, soundproofed. All the furniture's in good nick. So overall, Holidayinnexpress, good marks. you.